Hello everyone. So in this session we'll see another problem on area by double integration for polar coordinate. So let us see the question first. It says find the total area of the region enclosed by the four-leaved rows, that is the curve r equal to sine 2 theta by double integration. So this r equal to sine 2 theta, which will be a row shape and with four leaved. Let us get into the curve first. Okay, so this is the curve which is r equal to sine 2 theta. Now we can see this is going to be symmetric about the axis, all that, and in order to find the overall area, we can find area for just one of the leaf and then multiply it with 4. That's it. So let's try to analyze one of the leaf. If you see this leaf, this okay, so this leaf which is in first quadrant, so theta will vary from theta equal to 0 to pi by 2. And if you talk about r, so this r, all these r will be starting from 0 only, and it will be going up to sine 2 theta. So in that case, the overall area, so for area we can do one thing, we can write the theta. Let's say for one of the leaf, theta 0 to pi by 2, and r varies from 0 to sine 2 theta. So area will be 4 times of such area. Let's say a1. Let's say this is giving you a1. Okay, so 4 times of theta 0 to pi by 2 and r 0 to sine 2 theta r dr d theta. That's it. So once we are done with integration, we'll get the value of the overall area. Okay, so first of all, 4 times of 0 to pi by 2 r square by 2 with the limits 0 to sine 2 theta. So after putting the limit, we need to integrate this in terms of theta. So we can take this 2 outside. So this gives us 4 by 2, 0 to pi by 2. Limit for r square. So that is sine square 2 theta. For 0 it is going to be 0. So like that only. Now this sine square 2 theta, we know that 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 is going to be sine square 2 theta. So using that, this integration will become 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. This 2 can also be taken outside, so 2 divided by 2 will become just 1. So integration of 1 minus cos 2 theta. So 1 will give you theta, minus cos 2 theta will give you minus sine 2 theta by 2, and that's it. We need to put the limits 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so upper limit pi by 2. So for theta, pi by 2 and lower limit 0. So pi by 2 minus 0. So that's it. And minus for sine 2 theta by 2. If you see sine 2 theta, so sine 2 times of pi by 2 will become sine pi, and sine pi is 0. Also for theta equal to 0, 2 times of theta will become 0. So sine 0 is also 0. So if you want, you can directly write it. If you don't want, pi 2 sine pi minus sine 0. Anything is fine. So this thing is going to be 0. So the overall result comes out to be pi by 2. This is the area of overall four-leaved rows which we were discussing here. I hope this is clear. Thank you.